Okay, so we'll look at this question. Okay, the last question for this chapter. Okay, I have a few numbers, okay, standing for different things, and I want to find the largest possible value of A union B whole thing prime. Okay, actually, there are a few cases that you need to consider. Okay, when A union B prime is the largest, then who is the smallest? Can you tell me something about this? We look at the opposite. Okay, if I want the complement to be the largest, then A union B must be the very good, smallest. Okay, so how? I have three scenarios for you. Okay, 1, 2, and 3 are different scenarios. Okay, think about it and tell me, when does A union B become the smallest? Okay, well, the scenario 2 is the answer. Okay, 2 would give me the smallest union of A and B. So if I'm looking at scenario 2, this will give me the largest complement of A union B, and I want to find the number of the region 4. So how do I find the region 4? Someone said 23 minus A. Okay, 23 minus A. A, what's the number of A? 15. Okay, so you will take the universal minus A, 23 minus 15, and it will give me 8. That's the answer. Okay, so the answer is 8, and this is referring to the yellow colored region over here. We can move on to part 2. Okay, you tell me which scenario will give me the smallest complement. Okay, take note that if you want the smallest complement, then what must you say about A union B? Is the biggest and is the largest. So which union will give me the largest? So some of you have pointed out for part 2, for A union B to be the largest is scenario 1. So I'm going to copy that. So for this one, right, actually there's a problem. Because if 11 is in A, 11 elements are in A, not 11, 15 in A. And B has 11. But my total number is 23. Is it already more than 23? So how? Actually, in this case, right, there must be some overlap. Yeah, there must be some overlap. So you can't have this set, okay? Anyways, this one is called a disjoint set, okay? This scenario is called disjoint because the sets are disjoint. They are separate, okay? But in this case, you can't have separate because we have a problem. So we have to look at scenario 3, okay? Actually, scenario 3 would make more sense. Okay, so guys, there must be some overlap, okay? And this will be part of scenario 3. Okay, and the numbers would change, okay? And you have to tell me, what is A union B? Potentially, what can you give me for A union B? What is the largest A union B? The largest A union B is 23. Why 23? Because it's referring to the universal set. This one will give me the largest. You cannot go more than 23. Because 23 is the largest possible number. So, hence, the A union B prime is what? 0. Because I take this minus A union B. 23 minus 23 is 0.